So what is preposition? Preposition is a word that comes before a noun or pronoun. Generally it comes before a noun or pronoun. For example, she is sitting in the room. So in is coming before room. But sometimes it can come at last also. For example, where are you looking at? Where are you looking at? So it can come at last also, but most of the time, 90%, it comes before noun or pronoun. Okay. Now I'm going to tell you some types of prepositions. In exam, you will simply get question, fill in the blank with preposition. Type will not come, but still you should, I think, learn it, that what are the types of preposition. Okay. So preposition is of three types. Number one is simple. Second one is compound. And third one is complex. Simple, compound, and complex, like we did sentences. Similarly, preposition is also of three types: simple, compound, and complex. Simple preposition that you have been doing since class 1, I think, in, on, under, for, etc. These are the simple prepositions, okay? And compound preposition is made up of two prepositions. It is made up of two words. It is made up of two words. For example, because of. So it generally it is made up of two words. Okay. Inside. In plus side is equal to inside. So it is made up of two prepositions. Yes, Raghav?
मैम इसमें along with आ सकता है?
Yes, beta आ सकता है along with. So in your book, because of is written in complex or phrase preposition, but you can just consider it as compound preposition. Any two words always refer to compound preposition. Okay. And complex may more than two words in front of. In front of. So more than two words is always a complex preposition. In spite of, instead of, in spite of. So we won't go much deeper into this topic because you are not supposed to get any type of preposition in exam. Ki fill in the blanks with the simple preposition, compound, no. You will simply get the question, fill in the blank with preposition. So just this is for your knowledge. Simple is simple one word, compound is made up of two words, and complex is made up of more than two words. Okay. Yes, Harmeet, please ask your question. And everyone open your page 36 and start doing exercise A, please. Yes, Devang?
मैम जैसे कॉम्प्लेक्स prepositions में away from लिखा हुआ है, वो तो जैसे two words का.
किसमें बेटा complex में?
Yes मैम.
But you can see बेटा the heading complex or phrase preposition. They have written complex or phrase. Phrase is a group of word. ठीक है, इसलिए उन्होंने इसको इसमें डाल दिया. But you can consider it as compound also. That's why I told.
Okay मैम.
हाँ जी. Yes please.
तो फिर हमने three words वाले ये करने हैं वो.
Yes बेटा, just consider then more than two words is a complex preposition. ठीक है, नहीं तो सारे phrases सारे नहीं तो इसमें आ जाएंगे, सारी compound इसमें आ जाएंगे. ठीक है. So that's why beta I announced earlier not to go deeper into this portion, क्योंकि उन्होंने complex के साथ phrase भी लिखा हुआ है और phrase. So phrase is a group of word without a verb. phrase is a group of words. So obviously this is a phrase because of, okay? So this can come in this category also. Or you can just remember by this thing. Then if there is no space, then this is a compound preposition. Like in inside, this is a whole word, but it is made up of in plus side, so it is a compound preposition. Whenever there is a space, it can come to phrase also. ये phrase भी बन सकती है. Okay? So directly please come to the page number 36. There are some prepositions. You have to fill in the blank. I'm giving you 1 to 2 minutes. Please hurry up, solve it, and I'll ask you the answers. Everyone. Page number 36. Raghav, yes, please. You want to tell answer?
Ma'am, 1 minute, please. Ma'am, first answer along.
The man walked along the road. Okay, correct. So next, please, second Gaurish, third Karthik, fourth Harmeet, fifth Shubh. In this order, please.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, second one is in front of the door.
Put the garbage in the can, dash the door. In front of the door, outside the door. Okay, so many possibilities are there. In front of, outside, all are correct. Okay. Okay, next Karthik.
Yes, ma'am. He bought a small bottle of ink along with the 2 big ones.
Exactly. What is the meaning of along with here? Plus something. Along with means and in addition to. Okay. So he, along with his parents, went to the party means plus. He as well as his parents. Okay, Harmeet.
Ma'am, along with or in addition to.
The school captain welcomed the guest, dash the principal, staff, and students of the school. Yes, along with.
मैम और फर्स्ट में in front of the road आ सकता है.
He walked in front of the road, which is the front side of the road, beta. Always there is along the road, front side उसकी होती नहीं. It's just running passage. So इसकी in front of side नहीं होगी, ठीक है? Okay, next one is Shubh. Shubh, please tell me the next one.
Ma'am, Payal participated in the nature walk along with all her classmates.
Repeat your answer, please. Your voice is not clear.
Ma'am, along with.
Along with. Okay. Along with is the answer of so many words, so many sentences. Okay. Next one, please. Ipsa. Then Samriddhi.
Yes, ma'am.
Ipsa
Ma'am, number 6 is under. Ma'am, under.
The children had their picnic under the old tree in the park. Exactly. Okay, next one. Samriddhi, please unmute and tell me next answer. It is raining. Do not step out. Dash an umbrella.
Without.
Okay, without. Number 7 is without. Here the word step in is the, step out is the verb part. So ये मत सोचना out यहाँ पे preposition है. Step out is the verb here. Okay, next one, park. Park, next one, number 8.
Ma'am, in front of.
In front of, exactly. In front of television. So this was the exercise, simple, complex, compound preposition, and you can simply see that there was no use of definition in this question. Simply you will get the question in exam like this only. Okay? So that was just for your knowledge. That simple preposition is a single word. जो बिल्कुल छोटे छोटे words होते हैं. Compound is made up of 2 words without a space. Remember. And complex और phrase में कौन चले जाएंगे? With space 2 or more. Now let's move to another types. One is preposition of place, which is a preposition of place that tell us your place or any noun's place here. 1 minute. For example, in tell us the place that somebody is sitting inside in some area. On, she is sitting on the bench. He is walking at the park. Okay, so these are between. Car is parked between 2 trees. So these are the preposition of place. They tell us about the place. And there is another kind, preposition of time. They tell us about the, okay, let me rub the board. So next one is preposition of time. It also tells us about the time. This tells us about place. This tells us about time. I'll come to your house in 10 minutes. So it will tell you the time. Meet me at 6 p.m. Okay? So this is the preposition of time. You can just look at your book side by side. There are so many preposition of place with page 38. On, between, among, beside, besides. Acha, who will tell me the difference between beside and besides? Beside and besides. Devang. Devang, what is the difference between beside and besides? You can just try. If you don't know, it's okay. You can just try.
मैम आई डोंट नो, वो पहले से ही एड्रेस था.
Beside का बता बेटा. Besides चलो रहने दो. Beside.
मैम बिसाइड मैम जोन सा उसके साथ होता है.
On left side or right side of something. Okay. And besides, it's up.
Ma'am,
मैम
besides
बिसाइड्स में भी
होता है
पीछे
उसके
होता है.
except.
मैम पीछे होता है.
No,
Ma'am, besides means in addition to.
exactly. Devang, that is behind beta. Behind. Okay. Beside is on the right or left side, on one side. Right or left side. Besides means in addition, plus something, plus. Besides cricket, I love football also. Okay? In addition to something. When you want to say plus, I like football plus cricket, so I can just make the sentence besides cricket, I love football also. Okay? So besides mathematics, I am good in English. Plus दो चीजों में जब होते हो. ठीक है? I hope it is clear. Now Devang, please repeat it. Unmute and repeat the difference.
मैम besides means the person's the thing or person standing in the left or right. Besides means in addition to.
Can you tell me one sentence? Not my sentence, your sentence.
Beside
दोनों
the person is standing beside the tree.
Okay. And besides,
Besides
Okay, Harmeet, please tell me one sentence or Shubh, दोनों कोई भी besides का.
I besides the person are good friends.
हाँ. Besides is in addition, beta. Plus someone. Besides.
Ma'am, who is
Devang,
standing beside
Besides
Ram
Devang,
house?
besides Devang, Harmeet
I'll-
was also selected. Plus Devang plus Harmeet. Okay, Harmeet, please and Shubh, tell me one sentence of this one. Besides.
I like coffee besides tea.
Besides tea, I like coffee also. Also में sentence बनाओ better है. Okay. Shubh, please tell me.
Ma'am, besides Ram house, who is standing?
Okay, ये आप first वाला beside बता रहे हो. Second besides. Okay, Jason. Jason, unmute.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, I have an example for besides, those are my animals.
Repeat it. Besides.
Beside those are my animals.
Are my animals? Beside कौन सा बोल रहे हो बेटा? Okay, Ipsa, please tell me.
Yes, ma'am. My sentence is besides Ravi, Meena and Tara will also come.
Okay, exactly. So everyone besides mean plus someone. एक इसने तो आना ही है plus और भी आ रहे हैं, so that is besides plus. Now tell me the difference between in and into. It's very easy. In and into. Yes, Karthik. In and
Yes,
into.
ma'am. Ma'am, I think in means like we said, when are you coming in the mall? So,
When are you
ma'am,
coming? Okay.
in I think, ma'am, and into means कि हम किसी चीज के अंदर जा रहे हैं.
So you spoke the first sentence. When are you coming in the mall? Coming is also the process of
Yes,
going.
ma'am.
तो यहाँ पे in आएगा या into?
Ma'am, I think in will be the appropriate answer.
I'll tell you, if you are already in the mall, suppose this is mall, if you are already standing here, then that is in. If someone is outside the mall and you are asking them, when are you coming, means this is the process of going, then into will be the correct answer. So in means you are
Okay, ma'am.
already in, and when you are asking someone to come, then always into. When will you come into the mall? Why are you standing outside? When will you come into the room? Okay. So coming, going, jumping, these are the verbs, and you have to use into here. The process chal raha hai, to go from outside to inside, then it is always into. In means you are already in. Like you people are sitting in your room, you are already in. I'm standing in this room, I'm already in. Into is going, coming, jumping. Okay. I hope everyone it is clear. Yes, Gaurish, please ask your question or tell me your example if you have.
यस मैम आई हैव अ डाउट मैम जो पेज नंबर 36 के ऊपर जो हमने एक एक्सरसाइज की थी मैम उसका जो फोर्थ क्वेश्चन था द स्कूल कैप्टन वेलकम द गेस्ट्स डैश द प्रिंसिपल स्टाफ एंड द स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ द स्कूल तो मैम इसके अंदर हमने अलोंग विद लिखा था तो मैम इसकी जगह हम ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ लिख सकते हैं
यस वो भी लिख सकते हो अगर स्टूडेंट ने गेस्ट को वेलकम किया ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ यस आ सकता है और वी कैन टेक दिस सेंस आल्सो कि स्टूडेंट ने गेस्ट को वेलकम किया साथ में उसके प्रिंसिपल थे और साथ में स्टाफ मेंबर्स थे ठीक है सो बोथ आर करेक्ट ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ इज द एप्रोप्रिएट बट अलोंग विद इज आल्सो एप्रोप्रिएट ओके
ओके मैम
okay next one is over and above now who will tell me the difference along with example please yes Shubh Savya anyone please along with sorry above or over
Ma'am, above का मतलब जैसे किसी चीज के ऊपर रखना.
And over?
मैम अब है मैम जैसे चीज किसी चीज
Pencil
के ऊपर है
above
अबव
the
का
notebook.
मतलब और ओवर
One by one, please.
और
One by
above
one. Yes, Savya?
मैम अबव का मतलब है कि जो चीज किसी चीज के ऊपर है लाइक माय पेंसिल इज ऑन द बेड टेबल इज अबव द बेड टेबल मैम जैसे वो पेंसिल मेरी उसके बेड टेबल के ऊपर है तो उधर इधर अबव यूज होगा
Isn't it
ओवर
on?
मतलब उसके ऊपर
Isn't
जा
it
रही है
on? My pencil is on the table. ये तो on हो गई. Above, over. Above, over. Shubh, what was your answer?
मैम above का मतलब जैसे किसी चीज के ऊपर. मैम एग्जांपल my pen is my pen is मैम
My pen is on the table. My pen is lying on the table. Okay, Saksham,
Yeah.
Samarth,
pen-
Raghav.
above the pencil box.
Ma'am,
Okay, I'll tell you.
Ma'am?
I'll tell you later. Yes, please. Yes, Raghav.
मैम above का मतलब होता है जैसे किसी चीज के ऊपर. द स्काई इज above माई हेड. और ओवर का मतलब होता है जो चीज कोई ऊपर से पास कर रही है. द एरोप्लेन इज पासिंग ओवर माई हेड.
Exactly, exactly. Well done. So above is something जो fixed है हमारे सर के ऊपर. Okay. For example, you can just see this picture here. Okay. This picture is above the board. Okay. It's fixed already. It's not moving. Over means something is moving over your head. For example, one aeroplane is there, one helicopter is there, and it is moving over your house. ऐसे वो जा रहा है, so that is over. So it is a movement of something. ठीक है ऊपर, और this is the fixed one. So those who were saying my pen is lying above the table, no. ऐसे कभी नहीं होता कि पेन यहाँ पे टंगा हुआ है और यहाँ पे टेबल है. No, they are having one contact. वो उसके ऊपर पड़ा होता है. That is on. ठीक है, that is simply on. So I hope above and over is clear. Yes, Vita, please ask your question.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in above and over, I have a doubt that, ma'am, ये जब हम लिखते हैं कि the clouds are above the tree, मैम फिर इसमें तो फिर वो above आ रहा है, पर आपने बोला कि जो
That
चीज मूव
depends.
करती है तो उसके लिए हमने over करना है.
That depends, Vita. If you think that dark clouds are moving, you can visibly see them moving, then you will say clouds are over the tree, not above the tree. ठीक है? Sometimes some
Okay,
people
ma'am.
are having image कि ऐसे clouds रुके हुए हैं, और maybe painting में हो सकता है clouds हो tree के ऊपर, वो still होते हैं. That's why we sometimes use above. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Is it clear? Okay, fine. Now
Yes,
next
ma'am.
is
And ma'am, I have a doubt. मैम जो पेज नंबर 36 पे गौरीश ने आपसे फोर्थ पार्ट पूछा था उसका, मैम उसमें हम इन फ्रंट ऑफ यूज कर सकते हैं?
the school captain welcomed the guest in front of the principal. Yes, beta, you can use. सबके सामने उसने
Okay,
welcome
ma'am.
किया. Yes, it's possible. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
So above and over, I hope beta everything is clear. In, into, in is already inside. Into is process of going from outside to inside. Above is something is still above your head, and over is something is moving over your head. ठीक है? Helicopter is moving over our city, not above our city. ठीक है? So next, beside, besides I made you clear. Beside is one side, right or left side, and besides plus something. Besides Rohan, Sohan also got invited to the party. So plus something. ठीक है? ये भी आ रहा है और वो भी आ रहा है. And next one, I think यही difference थे जो main थे. Beside, besides, since, for. ये आप सबको पता है. I think we every time we do it in tenses. Since, for. What is the difference between since and for? For. Yes, Saksham, Samarth, please tell me answer. Are you there? Okay, Jasmine, please tell us answer. Speak up, please.
Ma'am, I don't know. Ma'am, penicil is
You don't know the
Yes,
difference
ma'am.
between since, for, Jasmine?
Ma'am, since and for.
Yes.
Ma'am,
1 सेकंड प्लीज,
Ma'am,
1 सेकंड। आपने फिर किसका बोला था, मुझे नहीं पता।
मैम आई नो सिंस का मतलब है कि since 1989 I am living here.
Particular time is given, and for
For I will work for 30 minutes
I
today.
have been working here for 2 weeks. Okay. When particular time is not given, then that is for, and the particular time starting point दिया हुआ, I have been working here since Monday. मैंने Monday को start किया था, then you will use since. When you know the starting point, it is since, and when you don't know the starting time, then it is for. I hope now all the prepositions जिसमें मैंने difference बताया वो clear है. I'll just see the rest of the preposition. अगर कोई difference बताने वाला हुआ, definitely I'll tell you tomorrow. And your homework is to complete the exercises, please. Exercise B, C, D, E. Till E, you can just take time till Wednesday. And then on Thursday, we'll try to discuss the preposition in class. Okay, you have 2 days to complete it. Now I'm leaving the meeting. हाँ जी बस. Now I'm leaving the meeting. Take care.